Hi viewers, welcome back to Mithramma IT YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discussing about the hands-on exercise on Azure Cosmos DB account. Mainly, we'll go through Azure Cosmos DB is a global scale on non-relational NoSQL database system that supports multiple application programming interface, which is called APIs, application programming interface, enabling you to store and manage data as JSON, JavaScript, object notation documentation, and key value pairs and a column families and graphs. In the same organization, Cosmos DB instance may be provided and managed by a database administrator and through often software developers and manage a NoSQL data store as a part of the overall application architecture, and data engineers will often need to integrate Cosmos DB data source into the enterprise analytical solutions that supports modeling and reporting by the data analytics. These are about Azure Cosmos DB. In this video, we'll discussing how to create the hands-on exercise on Azure Cosmos DB on Azure portal. Now we are creating Azure Cosmos DB account. Now we are creating a resource. Now click on create resource group and now search for Azure Cosmos DB. Right, click on Azure Cosmos DB. Now it shows the Azure Cosmos DB like this. Yeah, this is the icon for Azure Cosmos DB. Now click on create Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL. Yeah. Now you're creating the Azure Cosmos DB have provided there is six, which is mainly for Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL, Azure Cosmos DB for PostgreSQL, Azure Cosmos DB for MongoDB, Azure Cosmos DB for Apache Cassandra, Azure Cosmos DB for Table, Azure Cosmos DB for Apache Gremlin. Now we are now in this video we will go through the Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL. Click on create. It's navigating to your Azure Cosmos DB account for NoSQL. Now click on the subscription as I have a free trial. Now click on free trial. I have no have resource groups previously, that's why I'm creating a resource group. Next I'm going to elaborate my screen to clear. Yeah. Now I'm creating a demo. Now I'm creating NoSQL. That's why I'm creating NoSQL. Yeah, it's available. Click on OK. Now I'm creating account name. I'm giving account name as my name. Yeah, I think it's not give first capital letters, it's going to give small letter. It's available. Now I'm giving availability zone as now, keep it as a availability zone is disabled. Now giving location to Central Asia, which is my location. I think it's not available for Central India. US. I think it's not available for Central of India. Not available. I'm keeping it as a default location, and I'm going for capacity mode as a provision throughput will be applied, and applying free trial is I'm setting is apply, and I want to enable disable it as total cost throughput from now for the demo purpose. I'm going to go for the global distribution is default, and networking keep at is as default for networking connections, and the backup policies keep it as default, and the error encryption keep it as default, and now give a review and create. Now we are creating a Cosmos DB account for NoSQL. Its validation is in progress. It's checking your location and all your subscriptions and all your account type. Now validation successfully. Now I'm creating a resource group for Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL. Yeah, it's time being to deployment user progress. It's deploying our Cosmos DB resource group for NoSQL. When I'm creating a Cosmos DB resource group will successfully deploy, I am creating a sample database and that I'm creating some items and go for the items and go for this Cosmos DB database for NoSQL. Yeah. After completion of the deployment, we go through the how to through this procedure. We can create some databases and containers, sample containers, and also some create some items regarding to your Cosmos DB for NoSQL databases. Wait for completion of deployment. After completion of deployment, I will continue how to create, how to explore Data Explorer in the Cosmos DB account and how to launch a quick start in Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL. Still deployment is in progress. Please be wait for completion of deployment is completed. We'll go through the database, sample database and sample container. Now it's still in progress. Yeah. Now its deployment is completed. Now go to you can see here deployment how it what it will be created. It's created for deployment of Azure Cosmos DB account. You can see operations for only for creation. Yeah, you can see provisioning operation will be creation, right? Close it. Now you can see go for the resources group for Azure Cosmos DB. This is the overview of Azure Cosmos DB account for NoSQL database. You can see also this is a quick start for no, this is the overview. You can see. So this is the overview of your Azure Cosmos DB account for NoSQL. You can see here the data explorer for here for the monitoring purposes and estimated cost over the databases of NoSQL. You can see the RAID locations and write locations, URLs for your server and Azure.com server, and also you can subscription resource group what you're giving resource group from here. Not total throughput in limit. Now go for a quick start. Here quick start you can accessing of different platforms for Cosmos DB, which is mainly used for some documentations and also is mainly accessible for creating some database stores and containers like for making doc from .NET, Java, Python, and Node.js. Okay. Now go for Data Explorer is very important, like it's similar to database SQL. Yeah, Azure Cosmos DB is now connected. Yes, you can see here. Now this is welcome to Cosmos DB account. Just close it. Now you can see here. Welcome to Azure Cosmos DB. You can see launch, quick start, and a new container are connecting. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is now I'm trying to start a quick start of the Azure Cosmos DB account. Now start a Data Explorer. In this Data Explorer, I'm just click to launch a quick start. Now I'm launching quick start. Now I'm to create a new container. You can see the new container. The container name is sample database, and it's having auto scaling and database maximum rate. And I want to give a container name as sample container, and automatically it's now just I want to upgrade it. Now I have to confirm it. Okay. Now what happens? It's creating a database, sample database with a sample container. Okay. Yeah, I've been created. It with some, it takes some minutes to do. It's after compilation. Now I'm creating some items in sample database and sample container, and it select items have list in this container in the format of JSON. You can see here. You can see whenever it's compiling, it's creating some sample database here. Now the sample database, I'm having sample container. You can see after successful deployment of this new container, you can see how it will be. Yeah. Now it's created. Now you can see here. Now deployment successfully. Close it. Now you can see here this is Cosmos DB, this is sample I container. Can also you can query the query, but go for items. What are the items I have? At present, I have some items, but it's not pop up. Yeah, I have some items. It's provided by Azure. I have some items, right? I think I have some more items, but I have some items. I don't know how many it is, but I have some items. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a new item. Just I want to clear it. I'm going to go for the documentation of provided by Azure and just copy the data of JSON format and just paste over it and just save it. Let's create an e tag and self and attachment and timestamp for it. You can also see the documentation of what you are trying to given here. Item will be added to the last. You can see this is the item I am giving. Now you can see here it will be changes. Now I am giving here the what I am giving the data of one IDs and categories of JSON format. It will be populated like this. And also whenever the save, it giving e tags and self read and attachments and timestamps for it. Okay. This is all about for the additional metadata properties in the additional automatically. Okay, it will be added automatically for the selection dot from C from the sample data containers. Okay. Now what I am trying to do is now going to the data explorer. Now I'm going to data explorer. Just I want to clear it. Now I'm going for the data explorer and select the query of it. Now the new container and just overview, go for overview. Now I go to the resources once again. Go to the data explorer once again. Now I go for data explorer. It's connecting. Just wait. Yeah. And then expand its sample database, sample container. Now in the sample container, explore select the query tool. Use query tool is that yeah, I can select the query tool. Now just select star from C. Now execute the query. Now I am trying to do what I am trying to execute the query. What it get to pop up. Just I want to expand it. Yeah, before expanding it, just I want to see. Yeah, there is 100 codes will be there, right? With status. You can see there is a limit of data will be 100, 1 to 100 range, right? Now what I'm trying to do, just I want to filter out by using this code. Just I want to filter out the name which is having helmet. Okay, how many records will be there? 100. Now what I'm trying to do, just I have to copy it and paste it. Now I have to execute the query. Now I want to see the output will be 4. I think so, yeah, output will be 4 because they have the name which are having this helmet are those was 4 persons will be there. That's why it's querying as a 4 members. This is all about the Azure SQL database, Azure SQL Cosmos DB, sorry, Azure SQL Cosmos DB, which is similar to Azure SQL database, but here in this, the database SQL database is for relational databases. So in this Azure Cosmos DB for non-relational and globally distributed across the globally distributed world. Okay, this is globally distributed scale on non-relational databases for NoSQL databases. It supports multiple applications and application programming interfaces. Okay, this is all about this video, guys. You can morely explore in Data Explorer part. You can access and querying of your data, which is morely in the format as a JSON format, JavaScript object notation format. You can observe the output as of you can update it in this table. This is all about Azure Cosmos DB, a hands-on on Azure portal. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much.